Hey everyone, today we got a killer video on how to make some huge returns on Tesla stock. If you're hoping to get rich, I got some news for you. I'm about to disclose some things that Tesla is working on that could completely change the trajectory of this stock. You thought 2020 was good for Tesla? Just wait for 2021. I'm Scarlett from Miss Money. I retired at 26 by replacing my math teacher income through options trading. And my goal is to help all of you guys out. If you could do me a favor, it would mean so much to me if you liked and subscribed to the channel with push notifications turned on. It's super easy to do and helps with the algorithm. I want to grow my channel even more to make videos and help us all become successful. Tesla's share price has been wobbling around that $790, $780 mark this past week, dipping below $800 per share. But if you bought Tesla back in 2017, you would be incredibly rich right now, even if you do sell at this present moment. But I want to tell you guys, you'd be crazy to sell your Tesla stock right now. Hold on. If anything, you need to be buying some more. On Thursday, shares of Tesla slipped 1.35% to $787.38. But the stock did outperform its competitors, including Toyota, GM, as well as Honda. Last week, Tesla board member and Elon Musk's younger brother, Kimball Musk, sold his Tesla shares worth $25.6 million. That's insane. He sold at $852.12 a share, but he still holds 599.740 shares of Tesla. Tesla insiders hold a 19.6% stake in Tesla. The shares of Tesla have risen 14% so far this year and soared 743% in 2020. What will 2021 bring? Lots of profits. Tesla has been under hot water recently, especially because of Elon Musk. Tesla bear Gordon Johnson of GLJ Research looked down on Elon's $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase, criticizing his actions. He is not on the Tesla train, and Gordon said Tesla had run out of viable internal uses of its capital. And Elon's brother isn't the only one who sold a significant amount of his shares. There's a massive Tesla sell-off going on right now, derailing some of our profit. In fact, Elon Musk lost the #1 spot as richest man because of it. Jeff Bezos has once again taken that prize. There's not a literal prize, but there's just the fame and glory and, the huge amount of money. Elon Musk lost $4.5 billion on Tuesday as Tesla shares fell 2.4%. Major Tesla investment firm Baillie Gifford has sliced its holdings of their Tesla shares. Another firm, Capital World Investors, sold some of their holdings by around 11.48%. But here's the thing. Some firms are loading up on Tesla shares. Citadel Securities is reporting that they now hold 28.5 million Tesla shares. This is the time, guys. This is the time to get in while it's lower. Tesla is one of the hottest stocks around today. The only reason some of these firms are selling off shares is because they're trying to diversify their portfolio, as Tesla's 2020 rally equated to over 700% of total growth, all indicators of a near future surge on the horizon. Tesla sees 2021 delivery growth accelerating from 2020's pace and confirmed new Model S and X versions are coming. Tesla sees 50% average annual growth in vehicle deliveries, with 2021 expected to be faster than that pace. In 2020, deliveries already grew 36% to 499,647. This past year was transformative for Tesla, and it's just a blimp of what 2021 will look like. Despite unforeseen global challenges, they outpace many trends seen elsewhere in the industry as we significantly increase volumes, profitability, and cash generation. Tesla has some very ambitious goals in terms of manufacturing. Musk wants to eventually build 20 million electric vehicles a year over the next decade, more than double the current production of other automaking giants. So it's now on a mission to rapidly expand its manufacturing capability. Electric vehicle sales are expected to grow by 40% to 1.8 million units in 2021 and reaching 6 million units in 2025. Timing is everything when it comes to this stock. So when you're looking for stocks to buy or sell, it's important to do the fundamental and technical analysis that identifies lower risk entry points that also offer solid potential reward. But here's the thing, right now is the time to buy. I am not worried about Tesla stock one bit. You'd be crazy to sell your shares. I'm not worried one bit about the recent sell-off. If anything, you need to be buying in on these dips right now. I myself personally have loaded up because you will make big profits. I project Tesla will reach $2,000 per share in the near future, guys. Get in. Thanks for watching. I'm Scarlett from Miss Money. Catch me next time as I talk about the latest in stocks, crypto, and trade. And don't forget to like and subscribe so I can grow the channel. See you next time.